Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. I never really comment on how easy things are when people send me stuff because we were all there at one time. They want to know how this can be drawn, and it's done with some sort of interactive fill tool in a heart. And there's really a couple ways you could do it. Let's take common shapes and get the heart and grab the heart and then just hold down the control button so it's perfect. Now, there's two ways to do this. One of them, which is maybe pretty easy, just take the 3-point curve line and go from there to there and try to manipulate that line to make it look like the other one. Or we've already got this line, Control D, double click on the X and move it to the node and just rotate this guy to where it's somewhat on top of that other line. And see, this way you've got that exact line. Now, I'm going to set my nudge factor on, well, 10's good. I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool on red. I'm going to move that over and move that over. And there's our two pieces of our heart. And then whoever drew that probably just used the interactive fill tool. Now this is a little deeper red than a RGB red, but we can adapt to that. We're going to get the interactive fill tool, and put yellow or gold, and then move this out and make it a little more gold. That's pretty impressive. Now, if you have to have that same color, just get the color eyedropper and take a sample of that and put it in that one. Now, it's going to be a little bit harder with the interactive fill tool, but you could play around with it and probably mimic that perfectly. And if you'll look at the difference between vector and a bitmap, basically what that is, or a photograph. Yeah, it's a PNG. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thanks for watching.